So I've just added 6 cups of Pillsbury Best bread flour. Um, I like a good bread flour, and I find that Pillsbury gives me what I like in my mixture. And I don't make bread without using Anthony's Vital Wheat. It gives extra protein and to your bread, and it gives it a better rise and a better chew. And to my bread, I'm actually, I put a full cup. This is a half cup that I'm using right now. And I have already added a tablespoon of salt. You do need salt in your bread. It gives it an extra lift and it gives you flavor. And I'm also going to add a 1/4 cup of Anthony's dry malt powder. It's a diastatic malt, and it gives your bread a better crust and a better chew. And it does add to the flavor. So that goes in there. And I give this a nice whisk. I want my salt blended in there. I want all my Vital Wheat along with my bread flour and my malt. I mix that until I get it into the little mixture, and I feel it's a good mix. And look at that. That is our yeast mixture. I still have 1 cup of fluid that I need to add to this, but look at that. That is what you want to see. You want to see a nice, lively, active yeast. And that flaxseed oil gives it a pretty color to your bread. It takes it from a dull, bland, yucky, just a really white, to it gives it a little hue. I like it. So we're gonna pause for a moment, and I'm gonna go and hook this up to my mixer.